girl Rep Queen, back with another video today. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of some Yeezy slides, so y'all stay tuned. So here we go, let's unbox these babies. I'm excited. This is my first time ordering from Yeezy Supply. First time ever. And it only took a week and a half. Like, I was scared. I was watching people YouTube where they're saying, I ordered my shoes and I still haven't got them. I'm like, oh. Like, yo, they here. Oh my God. I'm so excited. What does it say? Slides. Smoothest. It's a typical Yeezy box. Made by Adidas. The Yeezy slides. Nothing here. Nothing here. So let me tell you about these sizings. So I usually wear like an 8.5, but everybody was saying go up a size. I didn't want a 9 because I know, like, I usually wear 8.5, 9. So, and I have a wide feet, so I'm like, let me go up to a 10. This is my first time ever having a 10. Oh my God. So y'all see it. Let's put these babies out. This box is so clean. First slide. Oh my God, this is wavy. It looks really small. Oh my God, this is wavy. I'm too hyped. Let me put the other one out. Nothing really in the box. You got the tissue. You got this because they couldn't put it on anything. Ooh. Okay, box first, I guess. First time experiencing that. But anyway, oh my God, look at these babies. There's really nothing to this shoe. Like, it's just a whole mold of a shoe. Just a whole mold of a shoe. And like, you got your front. Your bag is kind of narrow, but I pray I can fit these. And on the inside, if y'all can see, I don't think y'all really can see, but it says Yeezy inside. 10 US, made in China. And this is the desert colorway. I really like them in person. Like, oh my God. Everybody's like, oh no, they ugly. They look like the Birkenstock sandals a little bit. They like thick. I love them. I cannot wait to wear these. Right now, it's snowing where I'm at. I can't even wear them. So summertime, I cannot wait. Very soft. It's like a foam material. It's constructed very well. Very well. Very well. Oh my God. I'm so happy with these. Like, I didn't think I was gonna be happy. Then you have the bottom. The wood, I don't know what those called. The ruffles. Look like a ruffles chip or whatever. The side. Yo, these customize, like if somebody can draw, like customize or paint, they'll be fire. But yo, that's it. Y'all unbox these babies with me. I'm happy with them. I love everything about them. And yo, let's get into it. On foot next.